We here start with the short vowel front vowel sound number two. Short front vowel sound number two. And so we have to work with it and see exactly how it is produced. And look at my mouth. This vowel sound is a mid-high stroke half close sound. A mid-high stroke half close sound. That means your tongue has to be raised to a mid-high level within the mouth aperture, and your lips must come at mid or half close, not coming close one to the other, but at mid close or half close. So it is something like this. Watch my mouth. It, it, it. Let's go to the board. So we have mid-high, stroke half close, front vowel sound. Okay, so the little A is capable of giving you that sound. It means you can rollise the sound with the little A. So we have the word courage, courage. You can see the sound here, AI combination can give you the same sound in the word planted, planted. You can have it also with a little E in the word expect, expect. The letter I can give you also in the word gift, gift. Here's the sound, and we can have it with the letter U, the same sound, minute, minute. UI combination can give you the same sound in the word guilt, guilt. And then the letter O in the word women, women. Remember, we've always said we're more interested in the letter combinations, not basically about the word. So you understand the letter combination, you see a letter combination of quite a number of words in English language, that these letter combinations listed here can be wrong.